Good times, a great music at 2NURFM 103.7. He has made it in from the traffic this morning. And Chef Gavin Forman, you've been able to bring in a meal. It's hot, it's ready to go.
Yeah.
I see the bacon wrapped around some peppers there. So tell me what you've got for us.
Jalapeno poppers. So it's they're not very spicy because they're more on the capsicum side than the pepper side.
Okay.
Stuffed with cream cheese, herbs, and wrapped in bacon and roasted.
Now, the big question is, you said not too spicy. So how not too spicy is not too spicy?
How many times have we had this conversation? It's all about people's perception of what spicy is.
Well, that's true. That's true.
It's not as hot as, say, a little red chili. You know the little red chilies, the little bird's eyes?
Yep.
That would stitch you right up. But no, it's more about flavour than it is about heat. So the cream cheese should also cool it.
Act as a sort of a cooling agent.
Yeah, so you get that mouthful into you. Make sure in the next one you get some bacon and give it a squeeze of lemon and give you some nice citrus to it.
You know what? I think everything you've said is pretty much right there. The cream cheese is sort of, it's that holding that damn wall back a little bit.
I love the fact that I come in here and tell you about balance, and every time you act surprised, like, oh my God, you got it right.
Surprised that there's some balance in there.
Wow.
You know, bacon or no bacon, I could just eat that with just by itself. I will go through all of these once you leave.
They're a great snack. They're a great, like, watching football or something, just, pick up snack type things. I love them, and they're so simple.
You know, I'm usually kind of lucky because once you're here, I'm pretty much done, right?
Yeah.
But with Kev away, everyone's taking a step to the right, so I've got to sort of be here for gardening talkback, which is fine, but I want to eat these.
I've seen you eat. I'm sure it won't be an issue through the news or something like that.
That's true. Good thing we got that long news that goes for 10 minutes. Mate, these are fantastic. The lemon on top, the idea of that to...
give it a bit of acidity. Oh my God, I can't talk.
Yeah, put some acid in there.
Yeah, that's it. Acidity. Add some acidity to it.
Right,
so the cream cheese, as I said, is to save off the amount of spice. And the bacon gives it a nice little bit of a crunch. And the lemon just gives that extra layer of flavour. So
I'd say the only downside, and this is nothing that you can control, is that while cutting through it just spews all the cream cheese right out.
It's a pick up and bite type thing. So it's easy just to... I don't know. I really like it. It's a really handy snack. You could go to a barbecue and you bring those along, just sit next to it. You could do them on the barbecue.
That's amazing. That's really, really good.
So, wow.
And easy to make too.
Really simple to make. So you can put whatever herb you through the cream cheese. Mm-hmm. So we've just put basil through it, but you can put whatever you want. So it's a nice crunch. It's fresh. It's light. It's different.
It's both light and hearty at the same time, if that can be a thing.
I'm sure we can make it a thing.
No, it is.
Yeah.
I'm just because it's like if you just want something light, that's fine.
You wouldn't eat. I wouldn't eat 4 of them. I'd probably eat 2 of them.
Wow, I think I could do 4.
I bet you can.
I can do 4. Give me my breakfast is at 5 this morning.
Yes,
so,
understandable.
This
is your dinner. So
something.
It's the cream cheese is really nice through it, and it staves off that heat. You can do it with little bell peppers, but you expect the heat to come with them.
Yeah, so again, you can just ramp it up as hot as you want, or you can just keep it as mild and in that mid-zone as well.
There's a lot of Mediterranean culinary dishes have stuffed peppers. You'll see a lot of stuffed capsicums in Croatian, Macedonian, Spanish, and it's usually cabbage and mince and stuff like that. So this is just a take on that.
Yeah, very much in the same family, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Gav, as always, a pleasure. We'll send you out. You haven't got to go back through the...
No, I'm going west.
You might be okay. All right, mate. Thanks as always. A pleasure. We'll talk to you next time.
Thank you.
There he is, our chef, Gavin Forman, with us on 2NURFM 103.7.
A broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.